Welcome to Car Showcase. Here introducing a 2024 Tata Punch with all its features. Before starting, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. The 2024 Tata Punch is a compact SUV that boasts a robust structure made of high-strength steel and lightweight materials, ensuring a perfect balance of strength and agility. Its exterior dimensions are 3,845 mm in length, 1,742 mm in width, and 1,615 mm in height, with a wheelbase of 2,450 mm. The Punch has a ground clearance of 190 mm, making it suitable for Indian road conditions. The Punch is powered by a 1.2L Revotran petrol engine, producing 84 horsepower and 113 Nm of torque, mated to a 5-speed manual or AMT transmission. Its engine is designed to provide a perfect blend of performance and fuel efficiency. The engine is also equipped with advanced technologies like multi-drive modes and idle start-stop functionality. The interior features a premium design with a dual-tone theme, spacious cabin, and comfortable seating for 5. The dashboard is equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, and a range of safety features like ABS, EBD, and dual airbags. The interior also features premium materials, including leatherette seats and a leather-wrapped steering wheel. The Punch rides on 16-inch alloy wheels with high-quality tires, providing a smooth and comfortable ride. Its color palette includes options like Meteor Bronze, Atomic Orange, Tropical Blue, and more. In terms of speed, the Punch can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 13.2 seconds and reach a top speed of 160 km/h. Its fuel tank capacity is 37 liters, with an estimated mileage of 18.2 km/h. The 2024 Tata Punch is priced competitively, starting at 5.83 lakh rupees ex-showroom for the base variant and going up to 8.49 lakh rupees for the top-end trim. With its robust design, powerful engine, and premium features, the Tata Punch is a great option for those looking for a compact SUV. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and we'll meet soon in next video.